What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a homepage link on your Substack. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in substack.com. After that, you will be redirected to this page of Substack. Now, after coming here on the right side, you will see the option of sign in. If you are new here, so just simply click on sign in and then sign in with your email and password. But if you already have a Substack account, you will see the option of dashboard. Simply click on this and then you will be redirected to the dashboard of Substack. Now, after coming to the dashboard, on the right side at the top, you can see the option of settings. Click on the settings icon, and after clicking on settings, click on website. And after coming to the website, scroll down a bit and then under the pages and navigation section, you will see the home page links. Click on this edit and then click on add link. After that, give your link title and then you can add the subtitle if you want. This is optional. And then group, type in the group name of your link. After you have added the link and set the group, click on add link. And then you can see your link with the title and the group has been added to the Substack homepage links. Just make sure that the link is legitimate, and when the users click on this link, they do not get uh, an error or lost on internet. So this is how you can add a homepage links on your Substack. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.